Have you ever wondered how our consciousness works according to Buddhism? Today we will delve into the fascinating world of Nichiren Buddhism and its concept of the 9 consciousnesses. In the grand tapestry of Buddhist philosophy, Nichiren Buddhism paints a compelling portrait of the human consciousness. The 9 consciousnesses is a principle that not only showcases our sensory responses to the world around us, but also delves deep into our mental and spiritual processes. This principle holds the key to understanding our inherent worth and behavior. The concept begins with the first 5 consciousnesses, our senses, acting as gateways to the world. These physical responses to our environment provide us with crucial information about our surroundings. But the 9 consciousnesses go beyond the physical, delving into the realms of identity, karma, and pure consciousness. This journey through the layers of consciousness is a journey of self-discovery. It's about understanding that, at our core, we are innately good, pure, and worthy of profound respect. So buckle up and prepare to unlock the mysteries of your mind as we delve into the world of Nichiren Buddhism. Join us as we journey through each of the 9 consciousnesses one by one, starting with the first 5. The first 5 consciousnesses in Nichiren Buddhism pertain to our senses. These senses, sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, are our biological tools for interpreting the world around us. They are the channels through which we interact with and make sense of our surroundings. Let's start with sight. It's our visual connection to the world, revealing colors, shapes, and distances. Then comes hearing, our auditory link that picks up the symphony of sounds that fill our daily life. Next, we have smell, a sense often overlooked but deeply tied to memory and emotion. It has the power to take us back in time or trigger a strong reaction. Then there's taste, our gastronomic guide that helps us enjoy the pleasures of food and also alerts us when something is potentially harmful. And finally, touch, the tactile sense that allows us to feel textures, temperatures, and pressures. It is essential for our interactions, both with objects and other beings. These senses, common to many forms of life, are vital for our survival. But what comes next? Beyond our senses, we reach the 6th and 7th consciousnesses. The 6th consciousness serves as a master artist, skillfully blending the information from our 5 senses to paint a comprehensive picture of our surroundings. It's the 6th consciousness that allows us to perceive a soft melody as beautiful, or the aroma of a home-cooked meal as comforting. It's here where the world outside begins to take on meaning and context. Now, let's delve into the 7th consciousness. This is the realm of our personal identity and moral discernment. It's the 7th consciousness that whispers, this action is right or this decision is wrong. It shapes our sense of self and guides our moral compass, helping us distinguish between good and evil, right and wrong. It's our 7th consciousness that forms the narrative of who we are and how we fit into the world. These consciousnesses add depth to our perception of the world, but there's more to come. Deeper still, we find the 8th consciousness. Imagine a vast, subterranean vault filled with the energy of all our past actions. This is the 8th consciousness, sometimes referred to as the Karmic storehouse. It's not a physical place, but rather a metaphorical realm within our minds, where the impressions of our past deeds are preserved. Just as a seed waits in the earth to bloom, every action we've taken, every word we've spoken, and every thought we've had lies dormant here, waiting for the right conditions to manifest in our present experiences. These stored energies, these seeds of karma, influence our reactions, our tendencies, and even our view of the world. But remember, this karmic storehouse is not a prison. It's a reservoir of potential, a testament to our ability to shape our own lives through our actions. It's a reminder that we have the power to change our karma, to transform these stored energies into sources of wisdom and compassion. This consciousness provides a link between our past and present. Yet the 9th consciousness takes us even further. At the core of our being lies the 9th consciousness. This is not merely another layer, but the very essence of our lives, the pure and pristine core that remains untouched by karma. Unlike the other consciousnesses that interact with and are influenced by our surroundings and actions, the 9th consciousness is a beacon of inherent goodness and purity. When this happens, a remarkable transformation begins. The energy from this pure core begins to flow and permeate through the other layers of consciousness. It's like a purifying wave, washing over the other layers, refining our perceptions and experiences, and the result? We start to perceive the world not with our limited individual perspectives, but with the expansive, compassionate viewpoint of a Buddha. This shift in perspective is more than just enlightening, it's transformative. It changes how we interpret experiences, how we react to circumstances, and ultimately how we live our lives. Through the ninth consciousness, we can master our minds and positively affect our engagement with life. This principle, deeply rooted in Nichiren Buddhism, starts with the understanding of how our bodies respond to the world around us through the first five consciousnesses, our senses. These senses serve as the gateways for data that help us comprehend our external environment, allowing us to distinguish whether we're safe or in danger, or near or far from life-sustaining elements. Moving beyond the physical, we delve into the mental and spiritual processes that explain our behavior. The sixth and seventh consciousnesses play a pivotal role in this. The sixth consciousness merges the information from our senses to create a comprehensive picture of our surroundings. The seventh consciousness, on the other hand, is preoccupied with our personal identity and our ability to differentiate between good and evil. Then we have the eighth consciousness, also known as the Karmic storehouse. This consciousness holds the energy from our past actions, and it's this energy that shapes our present experiences. Though it might seem like we're bound by past actions, the ninth consciousness, the pure consciousness, offers a different perspective. Unaffected by karma, this consciousness is the core of our lives. It's through this understanding and activation of the nine consciousnesses that we can positively impact our lives, drawing out our inherent potential and engaging with life in a more meaningful and fulfilling way. In the end, the nine consciousnesses remind us of our innate goodness and purity. They tell us that every individual is worthy of profound respect and capable of achieving great things.